Yeah, 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 yeah. I said I be on the lockdown. I be on the lockdown. See your feelings ain't ready till you gone. See your feelings ain't ready till you gone. I be on the lockdown. I be on the lockdown. See your feelings ain't ready till you gone. I be on the lockdown. See your feelings ain't ready till you gone.
You see your feelings ain't valid till you're gone, homie. They only gon' show you love when it's 6 feet, homie. That's when your gasket drops, homie. Next thing you know, they gon' put your name in the song, homie. Tell me, am I right or am I wrong, homie? Next thing you know, they gon' put your face on the T like you Pac or you Biggie. But that won't even matter, homie, cause eventually they gon' move on and act like you never existed, homie. But I need y'all to know that I ain't no painter, but I hope you see the picture. Blind for a second, but still I was able to see the future. They told me cry me a river, but I was already drowning in the pain, homie. And see, I used to bubble out the bills just to silence the voices inside my head. Always in the studio, using music just to blow off the steam.
I said I be on the lockdown. I be on the lockdown. See your feelings ain't ready till you gone. See your feelings ain't ready till you gone. Now I be on the lockdown. I be on the lockdown. See your feelings ain't ready till you gone. I been popping pills just to put a voice inside my head at ease.
Te veel dingen op my hart, wat vir my ek so pla. 6 voet 16 sy daar, sakke brand, sy graf. 7 skote was geblaas, niemand wil praat. Het is 'n ewige saak, ek het demons in my kas. Ek het demons in die nacht, ons wil nie praat daarvan. Het voel so zwaar, op my skouers is in 'n las. Ek vra vergifnis vir woorde wat ek van 'n goed was. I could love you better, liefde is weggewas. Nou moet ek aankap die liewe staf, soos gevangenis. Wat in 'n sel is, wat nog wag op 'n straf. Het is die lekker, niet die duivel kry die oorhand. Ons vergiet van ons vader, aan die ander kant ons maak aan meer van 'n leksman. Kyk jou eie foute, incontrolenis vir my aanbonsan. Ek weet het is 'n misse marathon wat ek ran. Dinge sal nie change, hy was paard van jou plan. Paard van jou plan, toe sy die show ran, het ek aangemove en nou wat daarvan. Sy het aangemove, ek is bly vir jou kan. Don't push my buttons when you see me on the run. Ek is klaar met die dinge, dink van complain. Maak ek my mind skoon, so verdwyn al die pyn. Terwyl ek ry, nou kan sy op iemand anders te blame.
I said I be on the lockdown. I be on the lockdown. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See your feelings ain't ready till you gone.